Healthy morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 14.2 question number first. Look in the textbook. The question is the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. Okay, so here we have to make a tally marks that you have studied in which standard? 8th standard. Okay, so first I will write blood group, then tally marks. How we write tally marks? How we write tally marks? By doing vertical lines. Okay, after 4, if 5th observation is there, then what will do? Cross. Okay. Then third column will be number of students. How many of you know your blood group? What is it? See, you should know your blood group, because suppose you suffer from the accident, then at that time if doctor takes your blood group, it will take much time. अगर उसको आप बता दो मेरा ब्लड ग्रुप है, तो तुरंत ब्लड ग्रुप अरेंज करके आपको बचा सकता है वो इंसान. तो एटलीस्ट ब्लड ग्रुप हमें हमारी नेम की तरह मालूम होना चाहिए. देयर आर 4 काइंड ऑफ ब्लड ग्रुप, A, B, AB and O. And for each it is positive, negative. A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. Which blood group is called universal donor? O positive. O positive. यूनिवर्सल डोनर का मतलब वो कोई भी ब्लड ग्रुप वाले को ब्लड दे सकता है. एंड यूनिवर्सल रिसीवर ए बी पॉजिटिव. ए बी पॉजिटिव वो होता है कि किसी का ब्लड ग्रुप, किसी का भी ब्लड वो ले सकता है, उसका बॉडी एक्सेप्ट करता है. अदरवाइज मैं ए पॉजिटिव हूँ तो मेरे को ए पॉजिटिव ब्लड मिलेगा तो मेरा बॉडी एक्सेप्ट करेगा, नहीं तो नहीं करेगा. या तो वो पॉजिटिव एक्सेप्ट करेगा, बाकी बी पॉजिटिव ए बी पॉजिटिव एक्सेप्ट करेगा. ठीक है. So here we are talking about 4 blood group which are A, then B, then AB and at last O. Let us start tally marks. Count A, how many? Total A. Count A. 9. How many agree with 10? 9. Okay, 9. So listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. B. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. AB. 3. How many? 3. O. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 30. How many students should be there? 30. Sum of these all should be 30. Now two questions asked over here. Look, which is the most common? Most common मतलब ऐसा कौन सा ब्लड ग्रुप है जो ज्यादा स्टूडेंट को है? O. Because 12 students are there which are having O blood group. So and rarest AB. सबसे कम कौन सा है? AB. ओके. Now question number 2. Look at textbook. The distance of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. Construct a group frequency distribution table with class size 5 for the data given above, taking the first interval 0 to 5. What main features do you observe from this tabular representation? See here, the distance of engineer from their workplace is given. यानी engineer जहाँ काम करते हैं वहाँ से उनके घर का distance दिया हुआ है. We have to tabulate them, but not in this way. We have to tabulate them class wise. The first class is given. Check it out. 0 to 5. But for that, we know very well that we have to take interval of 5, 5. So first is 0 to 5. The next will be 5, and so on. So for that, we should know that up to which maximum class we going to go. Check it out. Maximum observation 32. Okay, so we'll write class up to which include 32. So class, so give me first one. 0.5. Just a minute. Where is duster? Back side. Because maximum observation is 32 and it will come under class 30 to 35. Now second column will be of telemarks and third will be of frequency. These all observations are what? Distance. You can write frequency also, but the proper word will be distance in kilometer. Okay. Now one question arises if 5 is at both two places, in first class and second class. So what do you think? Where we should take 5? Second. We'll take 5 over here. Remember one thing. Whatever number given over here, will not consider that number. For example, if I am getting 10, so I will not consider this 10. I will consider this one. So whatever number fall over here, this is called upper limit. That will not consider. Okay. So find out from the textbook, from 0 to 4, how many distances are there? 5. जितने 5 बोले खड़े हो जाओ 2 मिनट के लिए. 5 to 10 फाइंड करो. 6 मतलब 5 to 9. तेरे को देखने के लिए टेक्स्ट बुक दी है. Sit down. Look, whenever you find it out now, check vertically, and whatever number you have already counted, just underline them, ताकि दूसरी बार काउंट ना हो. जल्दी होगा, मिस्टेक कम होगी. So from 0 to 4, how many? 5. Now this class will include 5 to 9. 5 to 9. How many? 11. Sure? Yes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 to 14. ऐसे ऐसे देखना वर्टिकल और अंडरलाइन करते जाना. 10 to 14. 9. 10. 10. 11. Sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 15 to 19. अंडरलाइन करते जाना. 15 to 19. Sure?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 20 to 24. 20 to 24. Sure? 25 to 29. Sure?
Yes, sir.
30 to 34. Let us write these all. So here some of these all. Okay, total distances are 40 only. Now, दिख रहा है? घुमा दो ये तो प्रॉपर्ली उसको नहीं आ रहा है ओके लुक
चाहिए आपको?
अरे सी चेक इट आउट व्हाट यू वांट व्हाट मेन फीचर डू यू ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम दिस टेबुलर रिप्रेजेंटेशन ये टेबुलर रिप्रेजेंटेशन से आपको क्या मालूम चलता है मैक्सिमम इंजीनियर का डिस्टेंस वो कितना है सबसे ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम सबसे ज़्यादा 5 to 15 और बाकी सारे काम है इससे ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें मालूम चलती है बैक साइड क्या आंसर दिया चेक करो So we can write answer by our own. See, maximum engineers copy So let's end this lecture. Bye. Have a safe day.